everybody, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel. And if you are new to my channel and happen to stumble by, well, I'm your girl Bella, and I would totally love if you join me on my YouTube adventures. Click the subscribe button, hit the little bell, and let's be friends. Hello, sweet friends. How's it going, everybody? Happy Monday. Happy Monday, everybody. I'm back. I hope you had a great weekend and a great week. I couldn't believe it. Like last week, the week just got ahead of me. I had full intention to come on Wednesday. I was going to paint the eggs. I was going to get motivated. I was going to do all these things. And then I thought, okay, well, Wednesday came and went. And then I thought, oh, no, I'll do the eggs by Friday, and I'll have a video on Friday. And I felt terrible. This sinuses, my cold, it's like out of control. But I did go to the doctor. So for all of you asking, I did go to the doctor. She said my lungs are clear. I just told her that I have a hard time, like I wheeze a lot, and I've been, having a hard time sleeping. But she said my lungs are clear, and she said just to keep doing everything I'm doing, the teas and the medications. And can you hear that outside? Good Lord, it sounds like seriously. Y'all, I struggle so much filming in this house. It's not even funny. I just think to myself, like, I think every day, like, why did I agree to come here? But anyways, okay, whatever. I digress. I'm still making the best of it. Speaking of making the best of it, I made the wreath. So what I want to do is I want to roll the clips and show you this wreath and get you inspired for the upcoming season. Oh, and by the way, speaking of inspiration, all this behind me is going to go. I ordered the shelf. I think it's coming on Thursday. So that video will either be Friday or Monday, depending. But I have full intention of giving you a great video for Wednesday. I have great intentions of filming a video for Wednesday. Okay? I have great intentions. I want to do like a spend the day with me and add a little bit of cooking, because I know you guys like the cooking stuff. And I found something, and I want to test it out with you guys on film, and we'll see. Because I'm really like, yeah. By the way, I've been shopping galore. Shopping and more shopping. I went to Dollar Tree again. Y'all, have you seen, like I can't like believe how much Dollar Tree has upped their game. Like, everything is just so much better. Like, it's just better. And then they're like that section, the plus section. Wow, y'all, the outdoor metal picks for Easter, the like antique-y, old looking bunnies and ducks. Oh my God, they are so cute. I'm kind of debating if I should like spend the money. I don't know if I shouldn't or should spend the money and do like the whole outside. I mean, Easter's a long way away. Am I gonna be here? I don't know. There's a lot going on in the background, so I'm just telling you that right now, just so you know, like a lot. We're discussing like what exactly we're gonna do. So just so you know that there's a lot of discussion going on. But in the meantime, I'm making the best of it. Speaking of the best, okay, I ramble a lot. Excuse me. Pardon me. Let's see. The wreath. Okay, I'm gonna show you the clips now. We're gonna put it all together. I think it turned out so pretty. It's so pretty. It's so inexpensive. I gave you lots of ideas, a little bow tutorial, because I know you guys love that. And yeah, okay, so let's roll the clips. Hi guys. Okay, this is going to be a really easy, really inexpensive tutorial on how to take an old wreath and zhuzh it up and make it look amazing. So we obviously started with our Dollar Tree bunny. And the reason why I bought the bunny is because when I saw it at the store, I immediately thought of the wreath. But I want to elevate this bunny to make him look even that much better. And you can totally do this and just use the bunny like as a door hanger or something on a this would look really cute on a bathroom door or something like that for the upcoming Easter season, because I love doing stuff like that. And you'll have to forgive me, I'm still battling this cold, so if you can hear my sinuses, that's what's going on. Okay, so I'm just showing you here what I'm doing. I'm gonna make a 4-loop bow for the center, and I'm layering it. So 4 loops of the gingham, and then I'm going to make 2 loops of the baby blue, and you'll see that. And a lot of people always ask me, like, how do I tie my ribbons together? Y'all, I use floral wire. I use floral wire for everything. I love it. It's inexpensive. It's very thin. It's unobtrusive. It doesn't show very much. And that's why I love floral wire. So here I am making the 2-loop bow. And you'll see, I'm going to layer them. All right, you saw that I took the beads off the hanging part. Well, what I wanted to do is string the beads at the bottom of my ribbon just to give it that, like, little attention to detail. At first, I thought I was going to knot it like this. So I'm knotting it and putting the bead in. But when I looked at it, I didn't love it. So even though I think this is a good idea when I did it with the little hot glue, but you'll see this one, I like this one much better. So I threaded the ribbon in the little bead, and then I dovetailed it, and I thought this was much cuter, much, much cuter. So I dovetail, you see there. And then I added just the smallest amount of hot glue just to keep the bead in place, like that. And I think this turned out so cute. So cute. Wait till you see in the end what we do with these, because it's going to be adorable. I'm telling you, it's going to be adorable. And then here I'm just cutting off the excess of the wire. And I'm placing my ribbon down. And then I'm going to place my little baby blue ribbon on top of that. And yes, I'm going to bead that too. Don't worry. I'm going to bead all the ribbon. So it's like looks really cute together. It's going to be so cute. Y'all, I'm telling you, when I'm editing this video and I'm looking at it again, you know what? You could totally just use this bunny. And what I would do is around the perimeter, you see that beige? I would get like the big nautical rope and just line it. It would be so cute, and it would match the little tail at the bottom there. So cute. So you could do so many things. I mean, you use your imagination. Oh, I just added a little floral to my bow there, and then a bead in the middle. So if you were wondering what I did there. All right, so I'm dovetailing these again. I'm going to thread them in, and then wait till you see what I do them. And I did struggle. Struggled, but it's okay. I got them done finally. All right, so now I'm going to hot glue the ribbon where I want it to pretend like it has movement. But so that, because I'm going to put this outside so that it doesn't like flop in the wind and create like problems. But how cute is that? And then add 2 more little beads on either side, like as a necklace. And then I'm going to add 1 more bead in his little cottontail, let's say. It's so cute. So cute. Y'all, I'm telling you, use your imagination. You can come up with so many things. I love doing stuff like that. All right, let's put this all together. Okay, y'all, I get asked all the time to do a bow tutorial, and this is what I call the Bella super easy bow. I like doubling my ribbon. I just like doubling my ribbon. I get two ribbons that coordinate with each other, and seriously, I just double them, and I make 4 loops, and I do reverse. Like, you see what I'm doing? So I do one color, the first loop showing, and then I do the other color, the second loop showing, and I just play with them, and they always turn out so good. And my go-to wire to put it all together, and then tighten it as much as you can and twist, and you got yourself like the best bow. I'm telling you, it's so easy. Sorry, my filming skills here are not very good. Make sure you dovetail your bows at the end, because that always makes them look so much better. But look how easy this is, and look how great these bows turn out. I'm telling you, y'all, you can make bows like this. If I can do it, you can do it. So that's my bow tutorial for today. All right, let's continue. Here, I struggled. I didn't want to hot glue it because this wreath's a little finicky. That the bark on it is kind of like falls apart. I guess that's why the people gave it away. But I finally got my bunny on, and I got it attached, and it looks really good. And then we'll just finish it off with our ribbons. Okay, so I'm gonna add my ribbon, and I'm trying to figure out where to put it. And I like it like it's kind of asymmetrical. You see, it's not like, so I got the big bow I'm gonna put near the bunny, and then I made a second bow. I'm gonna put it on the top just to, bring it, like coordinate it and make it look that much nicer. So I'm struggling here, y'all, but I finally got it. And I love it. I think it looks so cute. And then I just added the top bow. And isn't this adorable? Like, wait till you see it in the end. And I'm going to be quiet now so you can enjoy the view of the finished wreath, because I think it turned out really good. Y'all, how cute did this turn out? It turned out so cute. I love it. And you know what I didn't even notice when I was doing it? The little white hydrangea here really looks like it's cottontail. Let me put this down. All right, y'all. So I really like this wreath. I think it turned out really great. And now I'm inspired. I'm inspired to go out and shop. Okay, so I got a question. I got a couple of questions for you all. Marshalls, you have no idea how happy I am. But wait, there's more. Marshalls is opening in my town. And guess what else is opening in my town? Hobby Lobby. A real Hobby Lobby. Like, not even 5 minutes away. I mean, what? Okay. Would you all like to come with me to the grand openings? Tell me, because I'm so excited. And y'all are my friends. And if you were here, if we were like really together, okay, like really together, trust me, I'd be on the phone with you. I'd be like, okay, let's make a date. We're going to go to Starbucks first. We're going to get dressed up. We're going to go to Starbucks. We're going to put our nice clothes on. We're going to put our makeup on. We're going to have our hair done. And we're going to go luxuriate in our new stores. That's how much I love shopping, y'all. I know I'm silly, but I just love to shop. I love to shop for everything. Anything and everything that there is to shop for, I'm that girl. I just love to shop. Okay, speaking of that, I've been looking at houses online. So today's Monday, and on Monday on my page, we do what? We declare what we want to come into our lives. Come in, happiness. Come in, dreams fulfilled. Come on in. And we take that negativity. You know that one, the one we do. We all do that. We all do this. I know you do this. I know because I do this. I don't know. I don't know if it's gonna happen. Oh, it's not gonna happen for me. No. All that negativity, you're gonna take it, wrap it up in a ball, and you're gonna throw it out the window, and you're not gonna think about it. And every time you catch yourself with one of those thoughts, because that's me, you're gonna say, no, I declare in Jesus' name that my promises, what Lord has promised me, is gonna come to fruition. Because y'all, I need that faith too. Okay, I need that faith too. I'm telling you, I need it too. All right then. So I hope you have a fantastic week ahead. Come back and see me this week. I'm going to show you that cooking thing that I was talking about. And we're going to go out and about in my town because I want to show you some stuff. I like this little town, and that's the problem. I like the little town. I like the little town. I'm telling you right now, the little town is cute. Very cute. Now, if there wasn't that snow out there, I'd be a lot happier, but yeah. Okay. Anyways, have a wonderful week ahead, and I'll see you very, very soon. Mwah. Bye, YouTube. Bye, everybody.